Hey, check out the new dehumidifier Agile equipment, the Zenith Dehumidifier from IAQ Pro. This dehumidifier is a 45-litre 300 CFM commercial unit for water damage applications, meaning it can remove up to 45 litres of moisture per day in high excess moisture situations. For reference, that's about half a small wheelie bin's worth of moisture from the air. Its smaller size makes it ideal for places with limited space such as small kitchens, bedrooms, void spaces or attics. Over-drying with bigger units can cause problems such as the buckling of doors or popping off of skirting boards. Paired with other IAQ products such as the Ventus Low Profile Air Mover or the Nova Centrifugal Air Mover make for a powerful drying combination. The highlight feature of this unit by far is its small compact size. Many have trouble fitting dehumidifiers into their vehicles, but the Zenith 45-litre dehumidifier has no trouble fitting easily into smaller cars. These units weigh around 25 kilos and feature dual handles for ease of carrying. They come with a 7.5 meter drain hose or a 4.5 meter power cord, easily strapped to the side of the unit. Also handy is the unit's small wheels at the back to help it glide across the ground. It also features a humidistat function for limiting the drying power of the unit, as well as automatic defrosting and water pump out feature. It is recommended you manually purge the water out of the unit after every use. This unit also has inbuilt sensors that monitor RH and temperature, displaying the current RH on the LCD display. Lastly, we highly recommend the MEX5 Moisture Meter by Tremex as a companion tool to check the daily drying progress. Also sold here at Agile Equipment. The IAQ Pro Zenith 45-litre dehumidifier is part of our range of small rental dehumidifiers at $110 per day or $440 per week. We also have it for sale, so please check agileequipment.com.au for the price. If you have any questions, we'd love to have a chat. Thanks for watching.